Alright, so we'll just call this a part 2 on the review of the HJMBIKE TRIHAULER Plus, or TRIHAULERPRO rather. And I really love this bike, but I was talking in the last video about the adjustments for the chain, and just so happens that this morning the chain broke. So I went down to the local bike shop and I went ahead and bought some new chain, but as I did an inspection on the sprockets, I'm not sure I can put it back together this way. Just can't do it. So I'm going to be getting with them to order 2 more sprockets. That there is really eat up. Take this here. Yeah, this back one is really eaten up. So actually we're sitting like at 3,455 miles, but because I had created all the videos, I just went ahead and called it 3,500 even. So yes, like I said, gonna have to go ahead and get with them or get with somebody and go ahead and buy a couple of sprockets. But that's how it is. All right, later.